Good morning, dear students. Let us start the class. Today we are going to do the workbook of the fourth chapter, that is addition. In the last classes we have been doing the textbook, we have been doing the topics, and we have completed the concept. In the workbook we are going to practice the questions related to the chapter in the textbook. Okay. So here in this chapter we are going to do additions of various kind. First there will be multiple choice question, there will be pictorials, then the three methods of doing addition. Okay, the first is the number line, vertical or column method, and using your fingers. Okay, this is the three methods. Then there will be mental math techniques where we have to use our brain and our fingers. Okay, so in this chapter these are the topics, and there will be word problems. And one new topic is that, not exactly a new topic, but a new way of doing the questions. So in the textbook we have done addition using two numbers, isn't it? Here you will be getting three numbers of 1 digit or 2 digit. Okay, so let us find out. It is also very interesting. And the practice questions, I have not done all the practice questions. I have done the important ones, and you can practice by yourself, and I'll be uploading the correct answers in the Google Classroom. You can check it out. And for students, in the unit test, you don't have to upload your answer sheets in the WhatsApp. You have to upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay, not in the stream option, but in the classwork, then assignment. Okay, then select the PDF file, and then you can send in. Alright, so if you have any doubt, you can call me, and let us start the class of the workbook. So children, this is the workbook for the chapter addition. Okay, so in the exam, both the textbook and the workbook, the questions are important. So it is required for the unit test. So let us do the question. What is the first question given here? Count and choose the number of, these are leaves, isn't it? Green color leaves. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where can we see 5? Here. There are 4 options here, A, B, C, D. Okay, we have to choose the correct option. So what is the correct option here? A. So give tick mark in A. In the bracket you write A. The number of bows is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again number is 5. So the answer is here A 9, B 5, C 3, D 6. So what is the correct option? B. So we are writing B here. Count and choose the correct number of, here what is given here? Tomatoes. Okay, so what is the number here? 1, 2, 3. So you give tick mark in C and write C here. Now in the question number 2, a blank is given here. In the other question the blank is not given. So in question number 2 you can write the number 5. Okay, if the blank is given like that, you can write in the blank also. Question number 4, we have to add. Okay, there are 2 sets of butterfly. First set is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? 4. Okay, I'll write 4 here. What is the second one? 1, 2, 3. So I'll write plus 3. What is the answer? 7. What is the 7 here? Here A. So I have written in the bracket A. Okay, let us go to the next question. Question number 5. There are tiger. Okay, so we have to count how many are there in the first. If this the plus sign is given, that means this is one set and this is the second set. So here the number is 2, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 2 plus 4, what is the answer? 6. So it is the B here. So you can write 6. Similarly, question number 6 you have to do in this way. The answer is A. Now question number 7, some logs are given here. These logs we have already got in the numbers also, isn't it? So we have to count the numbers. So how many are there here? This is in tens and this is in ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are together. So it is 10. The second is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. And this is 6. So 10, 10 equals to 20. So 20 plus 6 equals to 26. The numbers on a number line are written at equal spaces. That means same spaces. Okay, same distance. The sum of 9 and 0 is 9. Okay, sum means what? Plus. Okay, so we have to find, suppose in the bracket I am writing here 9 plus 0 equals to 9. You no need to write this one, just write the answer 9. Now question number 10 is a number line. We have to show this. Okay, what is given? 5 and 4. So it is given from 0 to 15. This is a number line and all the numbers are written in equal spaces. That means same distance. What is the first number? The bigger number, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw the line like that till 5. From 5, what is the number? 4. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. So where the number has come here? 9. So 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Okay. Similarly, 11 you have to do by yourself. Now next question is, what is the sum of 1 and 4? The sum of 1 and 4 is 5. Now here vertical method or column method we have to do. What is the question given here? 4 and 3. So 4 and 3, how we can count? We can count using our fingers also, or we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3. Now add all them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. This one you have to do yourself. The numbers are not written. So how will you do? It is given 2 and 6. So place 2 here and place 6 here and find out the answer. The plus sign is already there. Now the next question is question number 14. Add same meaning, vertical or column method, same meaning, but it is here for 2 digits. So the digits are given 43 and 24. Okay, so first we will add this column. Okay, then only we will go to the next one. So always start from the ones place. So what is in the ones place? 3. 1, 2, 3. And what is given? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how much we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You write 7 here. Now we'll go to the tens place. Don't start from here. Always start from here. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Okay. Similarly, you have to do this also. Now the numbers are not given. You have to place the number. What is the first number here? 12. So 1, 2. 2 is in the ones place. 1 is in the tens place. What is the second number here? The second number is a single digit. So it will come only in the ones place. If it is a 1 digit, it will come in the ones place. If it is a 2 digit, then the next number will come in the tens place. Now you have to do addition. How will you do? First, always start from the ones place, just like this. So here it is 1, 2. The below number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Calculate both the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will come here. Now what number we have in the tens place? Tens place only 1. Nothing is there. So 1 will come down. If nothing number is there, then we don't have to add with anything. It will come down. Now question number 15 is given what? Suruchi has 2 balls and GD has 1 ball. Color the total number of balls they have. So Suruchi has how many balls? 2. And GD has 1. Okay, and total. If the word total is given, then we have to find addition, that is plus. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So you have to color how many balls? 3. 1, 2 and 3. You can use any color here you want. Okay. The next question is, Rahim has 12 hats and Shaji has 20 hats. How many hats do they have in all? So in all is also another word for addition, that is for plus. So I have put the number here. What is how many has Rahim? 12. 1, 2. The second is 20. 2, 0. So 2 will come down. 1 plus 2, 3. So they have 32 hats in all. Okay children, let us go to the next page. Similarly, you have to find out here. Venki has 12 flowers and Kunjan has 11 flowers. So 12 plus 11, in all word is given. So it is 23. So you can write Venki and Kunjan has got 23 flowers. Now this is a question a little different, same as the 2-digit number. Let's find out. Solve using vertical addition. The place value chart is given. I'll put the numbers. Now here it is 3 numbers here. No need to get frightened. It is very easy. Just like 2 numbers only. What is the first number? 16. It is a 2-digit number. So 1 will come here. 16. What is the second number? 10. 1, 0, 10. What is the third number? 13. 1, 3, 13. Always start from the ones place. 6 plus 0 equals to 6. Plus 3, how much we got? 9. Okay. You can do like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, nothing is there. Leave it. 1, 2, 3. Calculate this. You'll get 9. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 39. The answer is 39. Similarly, for the next one, we can write 11. Next is also 11 and 21. You can use this kind of method for 3 numbers also. Alright. So let us go to the next topic, that is add 2 one-digit numbers mentally. So we have to add mentally here. Fill in the blanks with the missing number. So we have to fill the blanks. After 12, the gap is given, then 14, then gap, then 16. After 12, what will come? 13, isn't it? 13, then 14. After 14, what will come? 15. 15, then 16. Now, which is the correct set of answer? First is given 13 and 15. So, we got 13 and 15. So, this is the correct answer. Okay, rest is 12 and 14. It's not correct. C, 13 and 14, not correct. D, 15 and 16, not correct. Similarly, the next one is 1, 2. So, after 2, what will come? 3. After 3, 4. Then 5. So, which is the correct order? 1 and 2, no. 2 and 5, no. 3 and 4. That means we have to find whatever is in the blank in the option number. So, 3 and 4. We have placed 3 and 4 here. Okay. So, this C is the correct answer. Here it is. I have written. Question number 3, you do yourself. Question number 4, 1 plus 8. So, 1 plus 8 we know 9. Give tick mark in A and in bracket A is written. The sum of 0 and 4 is the answer 4. C, 4. The sum of 1 and 1 is 2. Option B. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. 0 plus 0, that means nothing with nothing. 0 is a number but it has got no value. It has got nothing. So 0 plus 0 will become 0. Remember that, okay? 0 plus 0 is always 0. Question number 9, you do yourself. Now add mentally. How will you add mentally here? Let us look at the first question. 1 and 7. So I will write here 1 plus 7 equals to. Equals means 1 plus 7. What is the value of 1 plus 7 equal to? So keeping the bigger number in mind, 7, how much number is there? 1. So 7. After 7, what will come? 8. So the answer will become 8. Okay. Similarly, 11, 12, 13 and 14 you do yourself. Okay. There are 6 sweets in Lakshmi's box. Jafar has 1 sweet in his box. How many sweets are there in all? In all also addition. So how many sweets Lakshmi's box has? 6. In all means plus. And how much box Jafar has? 1. So we have to do mentally here. So what is the bigger number? 6. And after 6, keep your fingers open. What is the number after 6? What is the number will come? 7. We have to count only one number. So 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Okay. Similarly, Amini has 5 chocolates on her table. Sunita has 8 chocolates on her table. How many chocolates do they have in all? So Amini has how many chocolates? 5. Okay. And Sunita has 8. So it is addition. So keeping the bigger number in mind, 8. After 8, you have to count how many fingers? 5. So after 8, what will come? 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. The answer is 13. Question number 17, you have to do yourself. Now this question, add 1, 2 and 8. Okay. So what you'll do, I'll do only the first one. B, you have to do yourself. So how will you do here? 1, add is there, so plus 2 plus 8. See, this is also we have to do mentally. Which is the bigger number out of 1, 2 and 8? It is 8. After 8, keep 2 fingers open. And after 8, what will come? 9, 10. Okay, done. Then come to the next number, that is 1. After 10, what will get? 1. So keep one finger open, and 10, 11. The answer is 11. Similarly, you have to do question number B also. Now in the practice section, there are some questions given here. All these questions are very easy, just like what we have done in the textbook or what we have done in the workbook. Alright, so I'll discuss some of the questions from the practice questions, and I'll be uploading the correct answers in the Google Classroom. Now in the practice question, we will discuss some of the question. The first question is, what is the sum of 2 and 7? So what I'll write here, 2 plus 7 equals to 7 plus 2 we get 9. Okay. Question number 2, 3 you can do yourself. Find the sum when 9 is added to 0. So 9 plus 0 equals to 9. We are getting the same answer. Solve using the the addition on a number line when 3 is added to 1. You can do this in your copy. You can make a long line with a scale, make a number line, and you have to show 3 and 1. First you show 3 because you have to do the bigger number, then add 1. Solve using vertical addition. You can do this one, vertical addition. Similarly for 2-digit number also. What is the sum of 10 and 30? The answer is 40. Alright. Similarly question number 9 also you can do. Now the next question is the questions involving fingers. What is the sum when 3 fingers are open on one hand and 5 fingers on the other? So in one hand you have how many fingers? 3, and in the other hand 5. The answer will be 8. You count yourself in your fingers and you can see. Okay, question number 11. If there are 4 sachets of ketchup in the refrigerator and 4 sachets on the table, then how many total number of sachets are there? Sachets means a small packet like pouch. You can put like shampoo or like the masalas or what you can say sauce. Okay, here the ketchup means the sauce. So 4 and 4 are how much we have? 8. Okay, so you can make the vertical addition here. Similarly, question number 12 you can do yourself. 3 hours and 4 hours Ram studied. Okay, how many total hours 3 hours is for studying, 4 hours is for playing. So how much is the total time he spent on studying and playing? Now this is a 2-digit number. There are 26 letters on a page and 10 letters on the another page. How many total number of letters are there? So you make the place value chart, big one. Okay, in your copy I have no space here. You make the place value chart, big one. So and you differentiate using ones and tens. What is the first number? 26, and the next is 10. So the answer we got is 36. Question number 14 also similar way. 14 and 15 you have to do. Total we have to add like this place value chart. Which number comes after 45? So the number after 45 is 46. Add mentally. So this one we already know how we have to do. We have done questions now. What is the sum of 4, 2 and 1? Solve mentally. This is also you have to do mentally. Similarly, this is a word problem. Ankita has 3 shirts and Ram Babu has 4 shirts. What is the total number of shirts they both have? Solve mentally. You have to solve mentally. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Okay children, so these are the questions of the workbook. If you have any doubt you can call me, and then I have done 1 or 2 questions of some particular pattern. The rest you have to do yourself. Okay children, with this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day. So children, let me take a short recap of what we have learned. We have learned addition. Okay, we have done calculation using pictures. Here the pictures are given. Sometimes the pictures are separated by the plus sign. That means we have to add this number and this number as well. Okay, then we have done using the logs, that is in the numbers also, chapter numbers also you have got. So 10 and 10 we got 20, and here how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 plus 6 equal to 26. Here is a number line. The sum of 9 and 0, that means any number we add with 9 we are getting the same answer. Okay, these are the column method of 1-digit and 2-digit number. You have sometimes you have to place the number by yourself if it is not given. Here it is a addition of 2-digit and 1-digit number. Okay, so if it is a 1-digit, this will remain blank. Okay, so the 1 will come down here. Then there are word problems here. Word problems, you have to find out the numbers, make the place value chart and put it in this way. The word in, all, sum, total is the another used instead of addition. Now then the next topic is we have done is adding numbers mentally, that is using your fingers. Okay, so these are the topics we have completed today, and the practice question correct answer as well as from the workbook I will upload in the Google Classroom. You can check it out.